Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Buffer for scheduling social media posts, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Buffer website at buffer.com. Click on the sign up button to create an account if you don't have one yet. Fill in your name, email address, and a secure password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your existing Google or Facebook account. Once you've created your account, you'll be prompted to add your social media profiles. Select the social media platforms you want to connect, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Authorize Buffer to access your accounts by following the on-screen instructions. After successful account linking, navigate to the Buffer dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of your connected profiles and their posting schedules. To schedule a post, click on the profile where you want to publish. In the text box, write your post content. You can also add images or links by clicking the respective icons in the post editor. Next, look for the Schedule Post button located below the text box. Click on it to choose a specific date and time for your post. You can select a custom time or utilize the suggested posting times Buffer provides. Review your post to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, hit the Schedule Post button to finalize. You can also opt to add to queue for Buffer to post it at the next optimal time. To review all scheduled posts, return to the Buffer dashboard and select the Posts tab. Here, you can edit or reschedule any upcoming posts as needed. To analyze your post performance, navigate to the Analytics tab. This section provides insights such as engagement metrics and reach. Utilize this data to fine-tune your social media strategy moving forward. Finally, consider using Buffer's mobile app for on-the-go scheduling and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.